What? What else? Hey, you were just talking so nice. Why don't you tell me a story? You ready to go to bed? Night night? Done? Are you done? Good boy.
Mom.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, get down. You gonna put that away? Put it away then. Where are you going? You looking for your sake? What is it called? What's it called? What's it for? What do you need the sake for?
Mama. Mm. Mm.
Ah. Oh.
Mm.
Smile, Bunky.
Mama.